Hello student, today we will discuss about the fundamental forces in nature. There are four basic forces in nature. Number one is gravitational force, second one is electromagnetic force, and third one is strong nuclear force, and fourth is weak nuclear force. So we will discuss all these forces one by one. So first one is gravitational force. So what is gravitational force? In this universe, every object attract the other object with a force, and that force of attraction between the two bodies is called as gravitational force. Now the gravitational force, on what factor the gravitational force, that force depends on. So according to Newton law of gravitation, this force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two bodies and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two bodies. Now, combining these two equations, we get F is directly proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. Here F is equal to, here is proportionality, we have to write proportionality to equality. So for that we will use gravitational, we will take gravitational constant and the proportionality constant, and that is G here. G, capital G is the gravitational constant, and it has constant value, that is 6.67 into 10 raised to power 11 Newton meter per kg square. Now there are some characteristics of the gravitational forces. So the characteristics are the force between the two bodies is the equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. This force. So this force is called as, gravitational force is called as central forces. These forces are called as central forces, long range forces, and one more important point, that is gravitational force is conservative in nature. Conservative means it depends upon the force of attraction depends upon the initial and the final position of the particle and not the path followed by the particle. Now next force is that is electromagnetic force. Next force is electromagnetic force. So electromagnetic force, electro means electricity, that is the force between two charges. The force between two charges, the force of attraction and repulsion between two charges is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of two charges. If we have taken here the charges of the same sign, then they will repel each other, and if they are of opposite sign, there is a force of attraction. So the force of attraction and repulsion between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of two charges and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between two charges. Here F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 upon R square, and F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 upon R square. This here proportionality constant is K. And this K has value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. After putting the value of pi and epsilon naught, we get